Hello, everyone. This is Rusher here, and right now I'm taking a look into Ace Attorney Online. It is a website that's based upon the Phoenix Wright games, Apollo Justice, Miles Edgeworth games, whatever you preferred. And this is like fan made cases that you could play online and stuff. That's pretty legit. Quite the meeting today, was it not? Simply amazing. If you excuse me, I'd like to get going. I have quite a long walk home, and it's cold out here. Mr. Moria, why don't you take my call? My driver would be happy to transport you. I couldn't possibly. It's your limousine, after all. No, I insist. My home is only a 10-minute walk from City Hall. Worry not about my behalf. Thank you. In some ways, fate is like our chauffeur, our driver, guiding us unquestionably through our lives and to our deaths. Oh! Ah! Gunshot fire! April 4th, 10:15, District Court, Defendant Lavi No 3. Trial time. Boy, my nerves. This is a real case in months. Well, I'm Apollo. This is pretty legit. Why can't things go my way for once? Cheer up, Apollo. Look at today. It's a oh, my voice cracked. Oh, jeez. We're gonna have to. There we go. Turn the volume down of the game a bit, just to make sure I'm not getting too overrun here. Alright, what do we got? My name is Apollo Justice. This accent doesn't fit me, but in case you were wondering, I'm a defense attorney. This is one of only my 5th major trial, so I'm somewhat inexperienced. What I've learned to go into every case with the same goal, finding the truth. Wasn't Mr. Wright supposed to show here today? Was supposed to be here today, true say. Oh, you mean Daddy? He said he was busy writing his exam today. Oh, that's right. So this is obviously before Dual Destinies, that's for sure. Never mind. Oh, Jesus Christ! I do so hope I'm not interrupting anything, Apollo, my boy. My boy. It's him. It's actually him. Who is this guy, Apollo? I don't recognize him. Gale? He's a politician. That's Grant from the first games on the Wii, on the DS, the Wii VC or arcade, whatever you want, WiiWare, and the DS version's 5th extra case. What the hell? So I suppose they didn't make their own graphics, so they just kind of stuck to using the official, but then they can just change the names. Okay, it makes sense. Because he's actually King Arcanian in disguise. But I must thank you ever so much for taking my case. Or rather, my trophy. Eh. No problem at all, sir. But it is simply terrible to think of what has happened. My dear friend and colleague did. Yeah, that would be the case in sometimes, you know. I feel like maybe he's not, but at the same time, this guy, DeGale, I think his name is. I think he is the bad guy. Yeah, I'm feeling it. Right in my gut. Cords of steel, don't fail me now. Here comes justice. Oh yeah, here we go. You don't want to hear my cords of steel, because they're more like paper. Court is, court is now in session for the trial of Matthias Thomas. Oh no, it's Pain. It's 1960s hippie Pain too. The defense is ready, Your Honor. What have I gotten myself into? Mr. Justice, it's been quite a while since I've seen you in my courtroom. Are you quite sure you're still up to this? No problem, Your Honor. I'm fine, really. He. Perhaps our young defense attorney should have prepared a little more for this case. For someone who loses cases all the time, he's pretty confident today. Oh man, no girl voice for you. The prosecution was restrained from mocking the defense. Would you please give your opening statement, Mr. Payne? With pleasure, Your Honor. Ow, throat. Yeah, it's not exactly working out for cords of steel. It's paper, all right. The defendant is a private chauffeur, was driving the victim home after a day at City Hall. While he was driving him, the defendant shot the victim. Shot him dead! The prosecution has decisive evidence to prove this is the truth. Very well. Would you mind giving us a brief overview of the case, Mr. Pine? Yes, Your Honor. Not at all, Your Honor. On the night of April 2nd, Police HQ received an anonymous tip from a concerned citizen. The caller reported suspicious activity into a vehicle on the street of a limousine, to be exact. A location and license plate number were given and the police tracked the vehicle to a parking lot. In it, they found the body alone with the defendant in the driver's seat. Pretty hardcore right there. Totally not the person who was in the car. Surely he was just there by coincidence and too shocked to move. Oh yeah, as I'm recording this, I am not playing Smash 4. Sorry about that. As per the autopsy report, the court accepts this as evidence. I must say, I quite enjoy this. I feel like I'm actually playing the game. Victim's name, Eva Manure. This is like French. These names feel like they're French. He was 48. He was a male. It was on April 2nd between 7:30 and 7:45. Cause of death, single bullet to the right temple. Alright, now, I'm not exactly the best at this kind of game because I played a few of the ones on the DS back in the day, but I never did consider myself a good thinker or of the lawyer type. My boy! Die!